Observe how image is never formed in a single specific position. But for an eye, image should always form on this fixed screen. Yet objects in real life not only move, but are at different distances from lens. Also, distance between retina, this fixed screen, and lens never changes, making it impossible for eye to work. But somehow, eye makes this impossible possible. By the end of this video, you will get the feel for this concept if you exercise your mind and connect dots as we move along. Light rays from a point enters this part of eye called cornea. Cornea converges most rays that hit the eye. These rays has to go through another lens, literally called as eye lens, which further converges rays onto retina, thus always making two-dimensional real inverted images. Small trivia: images formed are always two-dimensional, even in our eyes. Brain does the heavy lifting of converting these two-dimensional images into three-dimensional visual experience. Image is formed only when two or more rays from a point meet or appear to meet after reflection or diffraction. Now moving to the interesting part, pay attention. Farther the object from the bulging lens, which resembles our eye lens, closer the image is formed on other side of lens. Closer the object to the lens, farther the image is formed. The more the curve, less the radius of curvature. Less the curve, more the radius of curvature. In other words, a more curved lens bends light more, so the image forms closer. A flatter lens bends light less, so image forms farther away. Implementing these two principles on an eye, farther the object from lens, nearer the image is formed, that is before retina. But image should and must form on retina only. To solve this, eye changes the shape of its lens. For distance object, lens of our eye stretches, becoming flatter, increasing radius of curvature, thus making image form on retina. For nearer objects, lens contracts, becoming more curved, decreasing radius of curvature, thus making image form on retina. This stretching and contracting of lens is called accommodation. This is done by ciliary muscles around the lens, thus making us see farther and closer object with same sharpness and clarity. Thus solving both challenges, fixed retina challenge and constant retina lens distance challenge. Experiment with this. Bring your hand closer to your eyes, less than 25 cm. Hand looks blurry. Why? Hint. I want to leave you with a challenge. In myopia, distant objects look blurry. Is this because eyeball is too long or is it too short? And should we use convex lens, bulging lens, or a concave lens, shrunken lens to correct it?